Best hunt carts. Top picks for effortless game transport. Choosing the best deer cart can transform your hunting experience. Hunters often face challenges when transporting their game from remote locations. A good deer cart simplifies this process, saving time and effort. These carts are designed to navigate through rugged terrains, ensuring your game is transported safely. List number: Mocha Deer Cart, 500 lbs capacity folding game cart with 17-inch big wheels. Discover the Mocha Deer Cart, designed for adventure lovers. This folding game cart holds up to 500 pounds. Its 17-inch big wheels glide smoothly over rough terrain. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, it promises durability. The ergonomic handle ensures easy maneuverability, perfect for hunting, camping, fishing, and hiking. Advantages: transporting heavy loads becomes effortless with 500 pounds capacity. Perfect for bulky items during hunting or camping trips. The 17-inch big wheels provide smooth movement over rough terrains. Roll through mud, sand, or gravel with ease. Heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability and long-lasting use. Built to withstand tough outdoor conditions. Ergonomic handle design offers comfortable grip and control. Less strain on hands during long hauls. Versatile use for hunting, camping, fishing, and hiking needs. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts seeking convenience. List number: Guide Gear Deluxe Deer Cart, Game Hauler Hunting Gear Accessories. Transform your hunting trips with the Guide Gear Deluxe Deer Cart. This game hauler makes transporting heavy loads easy. Big wheels ensure smooth movement over rough terrain. Sturdy construction supports significant weight without compromising balance. Lightweight design allows for effortless handling and storage. Perfect for hunters seeking reliable and practical gear. Advantages: transporting game becomes effortless with Guide Gear Deluxe Deer Cart. Big wheels tackle rough terrain with ease. Lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and store. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use in various hunting environments. Ample space accommodates large game, reducing multiple trips. Easy assembly allows quick setup for immediate use. List number 3. Mayjoy Folding Deer Cart, 500 pounds deer cart game hauler with 17-inch durable rubber wheels. Experience effortless hunting trips with the Mayjoy Folding Deer Cart. This cart carries up to 500 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty game transport. Equipped with 17-inch durable rubber wheels, it navigates rough terrains smoothly. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and portability. Perfect for hunters seeking reliability and convenience in their gear. Advantages: easy transport for heavy game with its 500 pounds capacity. No strain. Durable 17-inch rubber wheels handle rough terrain effortlessly. Smooth ride. Compact design folds for convenient storage and transport. Saves space. Heavy-duty construction ensures reliability during long hunting trips. Lasts long. Quick assembly allows for more time hunting. Less hassle. List number: Hawk Crawler Multi-Use Folding Cart. Experience effortless hauling with the Hawk Crawler Multi-Use Folding Cart. Perfect for deer hunting and fishing adventures. This cart boasts a robust 500-pound capacity. Carry game, bait, hunting gear, and wood with ease. Its flat, dark earth gray color offers a sleek, rugged look. Efficient design ensures smooth transportation over varied terrains. Advantages: transport heavy loads effortlessly with a 500-pound capacity cart. Easy hauling, reliable support for gear and game. Folding design enhances portability and storage convenience. Save space, tuck it away when not in use. Versatile cart, suitable for hunting, fishing, and wood hauling. Multi-use tool, perfect for various outdoor activities. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in rugged conditions. Built tough, handles rough terrain with ease. Flat, dark earth gray color blends with natural surroundings. Stealthy appearance, keeps your gear discreet in the wild. List number 5. Guide Gear 750-pound deer cart with tow bar and wheels. Effortlessly transport your hunting trophies with the sturdy Guide Gear 750-pound deer cart. Designed for rugged terrain, its durable tow bar ensures smooth movement. The solid wheels tackle rough paths with ease. making it reliable for outdoor adventures. This cart's robust construction promises long-lasting performance, ideal for hunters seeking practical and efficient gear. Advantages: effortless transportation of game. The cart easily handles heavy loads. Rugged design, built to withstand tough outdoor conditions and terrain. Tow bar convenience, attached to ATV for easy movement and flexibility. Smooth rolling. Large wheels ensure stability and balance on uneven ground. Space-saving storage. Compact design allows easy storage when not in use.